everyone, here is some embroidery work that I applied to the collar of Henry's coat, and I wanted to show the process since they are pretty simple stitches that can easily be applied to all sorts of applications, and you do not need to be an artist to trace this. Just follow the curves of your pattern. So I drew with the friction heated activated pen, and I just followed the curve of that collar, and I'm doing the feather stitch here. So you'll start off to one side of your line and then take your needle to that line, keeping your thread under your needle. And now you'll go off to the other side and back again to that line, again keeping your thread under your needle, and you'll just repeat this pattern to get the feather stitch. Now, a couple of things: you could draw 3 lines or 3 curves, whatever works in your situation, to help keep all your stitches in order if you find that helpful. And I'd try to keep the same spot that I enter my needle off to the side in line with that peak from the last stitch, if that makes sense. I just find that gives a pretty feather stitch pattern, and when you're done, just send your needle down just past that last peak. Then I moved on to the granitos, and this is super simple to do. Just pick a length that you'd like and come up at the start of the length and go down at the end of the length. So if you want about 1/8 of an inch, you'd come up at the initial starting point and then go down 1/8 of an inch away from that point. And just repeat this. Yes, exact same holes every time. It is super simple. I do like to help guide the thread down to alternate the sides to kind of help shape the granito. Basically, your goal is a little mound. So you could apply this to Peter Pan collars of your own, or maybe around a sleeve, down a blouse, whatever. You know, it's sewing, you do you. I just wanted to share this little simple embroidery pattern. I hope this video was helpful. If y'all have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I will do my best to answer them. And as always, I appreciate y'all for watching, and I hope to catch y'all next time.